What it is, what it do. Right now, we've got all this stuff working. I wonder if I tried it. Yeah, see, it doesn't recognize that as ground. There we go. Does that look like the right size for a pool table? Probably about. I mean, I know it's proportionately not correct, but whatever. Whatever. I open Discord on the side as well, just so I have it open. Okay. It's time. What's next on the Trello board? Let's take a look. Gonna peek in. What are they having? Some technical pauses? I've been trying to watch the NACL playoffs, but anyways, let's just listen to this. What is this? I kind of dig this. Oh. Okay, here we go. What's left to do on the Trello? Definitely AI generated music, but that's okay. Okay, so in phase one, you can kind of, I don't really need these lists. This is too loud for my taste. That's a little better. I don't really like it. I want something more like... Okay, let's try this. Yeah, this feels right for the game we're trying to do. Well, I wonder... Should I? Unused printer is good to know. I wonder if I should make some actual attractions. Well, first, what do we need to do? Snap build movement to grid system. Let's do that. YouTube. UE5. Snap. How to use grid snapping. Let's see, is this what we want?
My name's Joe, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how handy to use.
No, I don't want it like this. I want it... Is this what I want?
Hello, it's Jam Games, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this super
Yes.
grid blueprint component that will not use any extra actors or anything like that. This is just a simple code that will check which part of the grid is the closest
Well, maybe this is something... This is too loud. That's the lowest. Okay. So clearly, we're going to go into this. I'm happy with that. Maybe that's fine. Anyways. Yeah, maybe I don't need that, because I feel like that's more of a feature. So let's delete that. That's not necessary. That's a phase 2 thing. Maybe even a phase 3 thing. We'll add that to a checklist here. Do. Okay, this is snap item placement to grid. We're gonna toggle snap item placement to grid. That's really just like a very late development feature that's gonna be nice to have, but completely unnecessary, technically. I'm also going to add snap item. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I shouldn't have a line item with cancel. Because not a lot of our items are going to be very similar to each other. Okay. See, like, maybe I should move this over like that. Can I... See, I missed muse menu, main menu. All this main menu stuff. Sounds and music. We'll publish some animations. Yeah. So this is the building set that we have to add menu, sounds, and animations to all of it as well. Obviously. Anyways. Let's actually move this one over. So the overall roadmap should be first. So what are we doing next? Currency. I want Earth. I'm going to add a currency system. Well, first of all, we need it to display the same spot. Now, there's probably a better way to do this, because what I have it do is like it rebuilds the whole menu, and I can probably do it where only... So, here. When I'm in this mode, like it deletes and redraws the whole UI. There's definitely going to be some UI items I want shared. And the way that I was thinking of doing it is just making it so that I'll go really quick. Nice. The way that I was thinking of doing this is kind of don't like this mix. Maybe we'll just go no music. Space Age, Exotica, and Cocktail Jazz. Kind of messed with it. Let's do this one. This will be a little bit better. So, let's do it in build mode first. So the first thing we want, obviously, is a and it should be binding where the so I need, let's just YouTube this. Actually, let's Gemini it. So I've got alrighty. I got paid today. Normally I get paid on Wednesday. But it is what it is. Okay, let's see. How do I build a currency system for the game? First step would be to have for now I want to be able to press a key to give myself money. It shows the money on screen and spend that money to buy things. I need a central place to store and modify the money variable. Yeah, an on-screen widget that displays the current balance in real time. Spending logic that validates purchases before spawning an item. So let's go back to this. No, I don't want this. I want items. So I'm going to send it this as well. As a note, I have a data table that includes a I'm actually going to drag this over to the side. Boy, this is complicated. Okay. So first we need to go to build mode inventory item widget. This guy, right? Add a are my variables? Okay, add a variable. Item price, and this is a... Oh, we gotta check this. Well, which means really, we don't want items, we want item type. So price is an integer. Check both instance editable and expose spawn. Let's scroll back up here to see what the first thing I should do is. Okay, the first thing I need to do, it says. Okay, the first thing I need to do is open BP game state. Game state. Okay, there isn't one. Okay, in the variables, current money. And this is going to be an integer. Create an event dispatcher. I don't know what to do here. Oh, it wants a custom event. I don't know. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's see this one on YouTube. Like 5 minutes long. Okay, we're pausing the music.
What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a currency. It's going to be a very easy video to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so what we are going to do is go into the third person character blueprint and go ahead and create a new variable, and this will be our currency. So I'm gonna say here currency, and this can be whatever you want. This can be money, points, you know, it can be very universal. And in my case, I'm gonna
Where did he
say
put it?
currency is gonna be a very easy view to follow. So
So we're gonna delete this, delete this. Okay. Okay.
let's get started. Alright, so what we are going to do is go into the third person character blueprint. And go ahead and create a new variable, and this will be our currency. So I'm gonna say here currency, and this can be whatever you want. This can
Currency to integer, obviously.
be money, points, you know, it can be very universal. And in my case, I'm gonna say it's gonna be in float. Okay, just in case you wanna have decimals and be more precise. But you also can choose int to have whole numbers if you prefer to do so. Now let's go ahead and create new two new custom events. So the first event will be add currency, and
Add money.
basically this will just get the current currency and just add a value that will be given on here. In this case, the value will be as an input, so we had to be can put here, for example, added currency, whatever you want, and then we have to set the new currency to obtain that new sum. So we just do like this, and I'm gonna do exactly the same but with remove. So well, remove will take away whatever you want. Remove.
This is the right place to do it, but
Currency.
holy, this guy can't type.
And then know how to type for that. So what we can do is two little hacks, and it's just to go ahead and
There we
when you
go.
press the one key, for example, so the debug one key is to test, we will go ahead and add
Yeah, I can do that.
currency, and let's say that will add like, I don't know, 5 points 17, and then we can also do the same, so copy and paste but with the2, and in this case we'll remove currency and let's remove like 3.5, I don't know, whatever, just testing. So let's go ahead and now make a UI to, you know, showcase that. So what we can do is go into concept browser, right click, use interface, widget blueprint, use a widget, and this will be called WB underscore and then currency indicator, let's say. Let's open this up, and in the palette, let's search for a canvas panel so we can go ahead and start putting things on the screen. And we're gonna get a text, put it in this corner, and the anchors put it in this corner. And now we can put, for example, a value just to have a placeholder to see how it will look. So, for example, 259.7. Right, so to see how it will look, you know what I mean? And that looks pretty good. We can put it anchored in that right part, and then we can change this text to be the currency.
I don't know why I can't find this one. Why does it call it B? Whatever. Well, it's happy now.
And in case we'll remove currency. So what we and remove like 3.5, I don't know, whatever, just testing. So let's go ahead and now make a UI to, you know, showcase that. So what we can
Okay. Okay. I want why is it not showing me? Oh, duh. Designer.
this go in the console browser, right click, use interface, widget blueprint, use a widget, and this will be called WB underscore and then currency indicate.
I guess I can just make a widget and then just call it. New widget blueprint, right? What is he doing?
We can do this go in the console browser, right click, use interface, widget blueprint, use a widget, and this will be called WB underscore and then currency indicator, let's say. Let's open this up and
Yeah, so that can be universal.
Canvas panel so we can
Okay, and then we'll go into instead of this, we're going to How did I get a widget in there? Oh, maybe I call it. Yeah, there it is. We'll put you top left.
Go ahead and start putting things on a screen, and we're gonna get a text, put it in this corner, and the anchors put it in this corner. And now we can put, for example, a value just to have a placeholder to see how it will look. So a text, put it in the this corner, and the anchors put it in this corner. And now we can put, for example, a value just to have a placeholder to see how it will look. So, for example,
Okay, so then if I go to
Tona 59.7.
goes up. Okay, it is up there.
Right, so to see how it will look, you know what I mean? And that looks pretty good. We can put it anchored in that right part, and then we can change this text to be the currency text. And make sure this is a variable, and then we can just get an image, drag it here, also anchor in this text to be the currency text, and make sure this is a variable.
Oh, up there.
And then we can just get an image, drag it here, also anchor in this top left part, and then put the size to be 40 and 40. And this should be an icon that you want to put. So on the brush, you can just go and put an image or a texture, whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna put this. I don't really have a, coin icon right now, but you get the idea. And then what I can do is rename this to be icon, and we can disable this variable because we don't need that. And let's quickly just go ahead and grab an image, put it over that, so again I like this, and then put it in the top, so that will be the background. Okay,
I don't care
now
about this
that
stuff right now.
background, we can just go ahead and change the color and put the alpha to be like this, And now we'll have that background, which looks
Oh, that's actually not a bad idea, actually. Let's do that. We're gonna set this to black and white. Yeah, I kind of mess with that. That'll look nice. Let's see. Yeah, it'll do for now.
very nice. Make sure to again put the anchor in the top right, and that should be it. So now we need to go ahead and set this text as that currency value. So to do this, what we're going to do is select it, go into text, and create a binding for the text. So what we can do now is just go ahead and cast to the third person character blueprint, get our player character, and on here what we are going to do is get that currency variable that we created. And now we can just go ahead and pass that as the text. And what to do is in the third person.
What did he do?
Is get that currency variable that we created. And now we can just go ahead and pass that as the text. And what to do is in the third person is get that currency variable that we created. And now we can just go ahead and pass that as the text. And
Not. I don't know why it's doing this.
And what to do is in the third person do is get that currency variable that we created. And now we can
So why is his red and mine is this is a color? Is that not what we want? There we go. Is that what we want? think I just set it to currency, right? Well, that's not working. Maybe it's because yeah.
Let's go ahead and pass that.
So let's try.
As the text. And
Now it's just not getting anything. Or maybe
what
it's
to do
just.
is in the third person, the last thing is go here in the view and play and just create the widget, of course, because not the widget
Oh, it's not spawning.
will not appear that as the text. And what to do is in the third person, the last thing is go here in the view and play and just create the widget, of course, because not the widget will not appear in the screen. So I can just put it will be currency indicator and then add this into the viewport, so add into the screen.
Already have this.
As you can see, we have it out here. So right now it's 0, but I could do 1 and it will start adding, and I can do 2 and start subtracting. So you can go ahead and play with that, but you get the idea. And of course you can put a default value if you just go into currency, put like 3.
It's not working. Is it because they're integers? Binding. Currency. You know, I think I have 0. Maybe it's because. Do I not want this stuff in here? Maybe I want it in game state. I don't know why this thing isn't working. I don't know. Well, that clearly didn't work. That's okay. Let's delete all of this. We'll delete that. I don't think we need a game state, so we'll delete. Oh, maybe it's fine. What to do? I just don't know what to do. I wonder if I can add it to... No. What is? What do I do? Do I have any other centralized? I have a data table. I don't think I would make a data table for it. What do I do? I need to find some way. I need to find some way. Yeah, I just don't know what to do here. trying to think, what do I do here? What do I want it to do? Okay. So I need to get what do I want? Yeah, get player controller. I know I need something like this. I need to get. I think I need that open. Yeah, so I want. Yeah, that's what I want. I just don't know what to do here.